All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install Adobe XD. So let's go over to UI and UX in the categories. And the first application you're going to see, desktop application, is XD. So design, prototype, and share user experiences. So let's click on install. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this install. I'm going to pause the video here. And once this is done, I'll see you on the other side. All right, welcome back. So we've installed Adobe XD, and you can see up here, get started with Adobe XD. It's going to pop up this little icon up here to let you know that it's been installed. So I'm going to click on open. And now what I want you to do is I want you to right click on this, and we're going to keep this in the dock. You can also right click on this in Windows and save it to your taskbar as well. So it's the same idea. All right, so we've successfully installed Adobe XD. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.